know it can get confusing on how to layer your skincare products properly. When I was working in the skincare industry, a tip that I learned is to go from your thinnest products first to your thickest. So your moisturizers, eye creams, sunscreens should be left at the end, your serum somewhere in the middle depending on what you use, and of course your cleanser in the beginning.
This is amazing. Shave Anywhere. Soap, water bottle, another razor. I got it from Ulta.
Hey guys, I thought I'd quickly go over my nighttime routine. So first we're going to double cleanse with a balm cleanser and then with the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. This cleanser has been a lifesaver in these dry winters that we're having in Sydney at the moment. Then tone and serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid to help with pigmentation and also to help with hydration because I do have dry skin. And then we have eye cream. This one has been really nice and lightweight, and my favorite moisturizer that has saved my skin this winter. And there's the glow, not bad. Tag Hiram, yay. So here's an example of an oily acne-prone skin routine. So first you want to cleanse, of course, and you want to go with a gel cleanser. Here are two good examples from La Roche-Posay. The green one has salicylic acid if you do have acne-prone skin. Then we want to go in with a glycolic acid toner just for some exfoliation, and niacinamide, which is really good for oil control and acne control. And you want to moisturize as well, and if it's a morning routine, please use SPF after moisturizer, and here are some good treatment masks that you can use once a week to help with oil and acne control. Thanks guys.
These little cotton candy balls exfoliate your skin. Look how cute. I'm taking one out. This is the little cotton ball. I'm applying it on my nose and chin area to clear blackheads. It's also super gentle on your skin.
This is a glass therapy vacuum cup for cupping your face. Since my lips turned out so well, I just figured why not. You use an oil or some type of product that's going to help the glass cup slide across your skin, so I'm using 100% shea butter moisturizer that I have. This is my first time trying this out. I just watched a couple videos on YouTube, so I'm in no means a pro at this. But this does not hurt at all, so that's a good sign. And this is supposed to help with giving you a lifted look. It's actually pretty relaxing. It feels really nice. There are different sizes of these that you can get for your face. Smaller ones for around your eyes. But I didn't know if I'd like it, so I didn't want to invest in a bunch of different ones. But I think it's pretty cool.
Trying out this hydrating Botini peel-off mask, adding in the gel, powder, and mixing it all together. Applying it all over my face, waiting for 15 minutes until it dries, and it's ready to be peeled off.
How to reapply liquid sunscreen without ruining your makeup. I like using a light sunscreen. Apply a little bit of sunscreen on your fingers like this. Dab it together and lightly press all over your face. As you can see, my makeup is not being affected. You can add a little bit of powder if you feel a little too oily.
So people buy all this ordinary and they don't know how to layer it, so they're not getting all the benefits. So I'm going to show you how to layer. The first thing you're going to want to do is cleanse. And then you're going to use your water-based treatments. This would be your glycolic acid, your hyaluronic acid, your niacinamides, lactic acid, salicylic acid. These are serum-based solutions. Next is anhydrous solutions. This would be your gram-active retinoid and squalane, absorbic acid, and ferulic acid. Those are products that are thicker than water-based serums, but they would go before any heavier creams or. Then you would do your eye treatment in between, and then your moisturizer and SPF. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. If you're using a product such as azelaic acid, which is really, The Ordinary actually recommends using it after your moisturizer, which is kind of weird. It's thicker than your moisturizer, so you're actually getting more benefits by layering it over your moisturizer than if you're not using the azelaic acid or the vitamin C suspension, then you would use your face oils at night over your moisturizer. It is a little bit confusing, so I'll answer any comments. Don't use these products altogether because a lot of them have conflicts. I was just showing.
Brand new. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for it. This is the I Do Care brand new eye cream. It has hyaluronic acid, guava extract, vitamin C, and caffeine. It's supposed to brighten the under eye area, help with tired eyes, and you guys, it's pink.
Let's do some gold skincare. Here are the two masks I have. One is a Glam Straight Gold Foil Mask. The other one is a gold lip mask. Here's a lip mask. That felt so refreshing. But my lips feel slimy now. I always rub the extra serum down my neck and also to my hands. Here's the results.
They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but what about a tomato? This is a tomato skin brightening face pack. You rub this into your skin for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And in the meantime, you can try using this thing. I've had a lot of questions about it, so I thought I'd let you know. It's an anti-aging product. You move your mouth saying different letters like A, E, I, O, and it works the muscles all throughout your face. I'm not kidding. It's made my face sore before. Then you rinse it off, and you should be good to go. Another 2-step sheet mask. This is the Fresh Capsule Mask. I think these are pretty cool. This has the Royal Jelly Activator inside. You press the capsule, it breaks the seam, and then you mix the ingredients before using it. Walmart finds. So this is the eggplant and cooling ice stick. At first it was a little rough to use because it was kind of dry, but as the top layer of the product came off, it became more cooling and it was smoother to go across your skin. This is a papaya serum. I liked how big this bottle was. This is for glowing skin and it seemed to work okay.
I know you guys have probably seen the gray bubble mask, but have you seen a purifying sheet bubbling mask? It's starting to bubble. Also, I kind of look like the Grinch or Shrek. And now I'm gonna remove it.
I have been waiting so long to get this package. This is the Brave is Beautiful free gift with purchase from QVC right now. I'm going to show you guys what is inside. You get all of this stuff completely free when you make a purchase from a specific page on their website. You can click the link in my bio to find that page. First, we have Bare Minerals Cleansing Wipe. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. Honestly, don't know how you say this, but I know it's really expensive. I love this brand. This is their facial cleanser. Some leave-in conditioner. This retails for like $25. This brand is so nice. This is literally a full-size thing of conditioner. Full-size hand cream. This is argan oil. We have a Laura Geller lip gloss. Some eye patches by Beauty Bio. A little Tula skincare sample. This is an eyeshadow stick. It's this really pretty gold color. We have a little mini Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior. This little Skin Fix Renewing Cream. This little sample. Proceeds from this bag go to Women Fighting Cancer, which is amazing. I purchased this $5 conditioner to get this entire bag, but the cheapest thing right now is around $20. Still an amazing deal. Follow for more.
Sharing some more Sephora favorites, and this time it's skincare edition. First is Dermalogica's Daily Microfoliant. You can use this every day after you wash your face. It's a super gentle exfoliator and it makes your skin incredibly soft. Next is the Tatcha Water Cream. This makes your skin feel so soft and supple, and it's great for anti-aging and pore perfecting. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream can be used on your face or your body, and it's really gentle but extremely hydrating, and it's also a huge jar. It will last you a really long time. The Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask is totally worth the hype. It feels so refreshing and hydrating, and you can use it as a face mask or a moisturizer. I also love the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. This is great for clearing out your pores, and you can use it to spot treat breakouts. Last is this lip mask. I sleep with it on every night, and it makes your lips feel so hydrated and supple when you wake up in the morning. If you guys want to see the rest of my picks, you can find them on my blog.
I just got this oil absorbing roller. This roller is actually made with real volcanic stone. And so you roll it over your face to get rid of the shiny oil. It's also washable and reusable.
Hey guys, welcome to another Products That Would Change Your Life Part 3. So here I have this charcoal powder for my teeth, and it makes my teeth super white. It is lovely. I got it off Amazon, and it might seem a bit pricey, but honestly, there's a lot of powder in this and it'll last you a long time.
How cute is this? You guys know I love Korean skincare. It's another thing I found on Amazon. It's fermented green tea and honey moisturizer. I'm really excited to try it, and I can't wait until it's empty to store stuff in the container. I mentioned before that I really like this spray. It smells just like coconuts. It feels really good, and so I got excited when I saw there was a glowing moisturizer, and then I got really sad because basically it looks, smells, feels exactly like sunscreen.
Here are 3 Korean skincare products under $20 that I would recommend to any skincare beginners. The Crave Beauty Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser is a super gentle and effective cleanser whether you have dry or oily skin. All of their products are vegan, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free. It's not super stripping, nor does it alter your skin's pH levels. The Ionique Centella Calming Gel Cream is a great lightweight moisturizer that's formulated with 70% Centella Asiatica leaf water, which really helps with soothing irritated and acne-prone skin. I find that it works great as an all-around moisturizer for oily skin, but also a great daytime moisturizer for all skin types, especially dry. The Purito Comfy Water Sunblock is a physical sunscreen that works for most skin types, especially if you're sensitive to chemical sunscreens. There's essentially no white cast and it sinks into the skin beautifully. I also have a full YouTube video with more beginner recommendations linked in my bio. Follow for more K-beauty.
This gorgeous bag showed up today, and I want you to pick which product you want to see first. To start, there's a $150 tomato serum used for anti-aging and blemishes, and then a salmon cream that's $120 made with salmon egg extract. These exfoliating pads have tons of liquid, which is awesome because a lot of the ones I purchased have dried out really fast. It has two sides, one to cleanse, one to exfoliate, and a little pocket for your fingers. So you cleanse, flip it, exfoliate, and you're done, and that's why it's my favorite.
I was dating this girl a while back, and in the relationship I stopped taking care of myself. I ate whatever, gained weight, and my skin was horrendous. In the end, I got dumped. Like any other guy that deals with heartbreak, I was sad and began to work on myself. I started getting back into shape again and looked into skincare to help with my acne, and that's when I discovered Curology. I gotta tell you guys, it helped improve my skin tremendously. I've been battling acne my entire life, and Curology played a big part in its transformation. Let me know if you guys want a video of me just talking about the skincare routine. For me, in a span of 5 weeks, my skin went from that to this. Crazy. All of a sudden, she's back in my DMs. To the boys, take care of yourself and others will follow.